bro. I think I I very good. I am very smart. You?
No, I am no smart. Magar sat ayu nehu sehu.
I am English very fast. You English so heavy. You know I can you go.
English Exakanaka. What the hell? I think is wrong. For the hell you. Never mind you. I think okay.
You my father US. I am UK. My lifeline. My lifeline you see. You idea? I am Bolux.
This is for you, Chodolok. I think no, never you. For UK, this is my favorite country, Canada. Understand? You better understand. What the hell?
You Padmash. You